Welcome to the world of million-dollar making strategies that are recession-proof. It's reasonable to question how to navigate the rough waters of economic instability and emerge financially successful. Recessions can be frightening, but they also bring unique possibilities for those who are prepared and adaptive. In this video, we'll look at a number of tactics that might help you not just survive, but prosper during difficult economic times. Let's get started. Starting with number 1, investment in resilient industries. Investing in industries that have a tendency to remain steady throughout a recession might be a wise approach. Healthcare is a must regardless of economic circumstances, and utilities are a critical service. Regardless of economic volatility, consumer essentials such as food and drinks are in high demand. Next, embrace the power of innovation. During a recession, innovation is a great weapon for success. Companies that embrace innovation can adapt to changing market conditions and discover new growth prospects. Businesses may achieve a competitive advantage by continually updating their products and services to satisfy changing client requirements. The third item is entrepreneurship and small business. Recessions frequently foster entrepreneurship. A small company growth, if done strategically, starting a small business may be a recession-proof strategy. Entrepreneurs may carve out their niche and acquire loyal clients by spotting market gaps and delivering distinctive value. Concentrating on businesses that provide necessary items or services such as healthcare, food, and basic home goods. Developing a strong network and cultivating customer relationships can help small businesses thrive even in difficult economic times. Number 4 is up next. Diversify your income streams. During a recession, relying on a single source of income might be dangerous. Diversify your revenue streams can help you insulate from economic downturns. Investing in many asset types such as stocks, bonds, and real estate or commodities can help you diversify. Exploring passive income possibilities such as rental properties or internet enterprises might help give stability during difficult economic times. Now comes number 5. Be financially prepared and conservative. Preparing for a recession entails financial management, building an emergency fund to cover unforeseen costs and job loss, stability, and eliminates the need to make a rash financial decision. Conserving your money and avoiding unneeded debt will help you protect your financial well-being. Now for number 6, concentrate on cost reduction and efficiency. During a recession, it's critical to reduce expenses and increase operational efficiency. Examine your spending and discover places where you may cut costs and streamline operations. Look for ways to improve supplier relationships and execute cost-cutting strategies. During difficult economic circumstances, you may maintain profitability and conserve financial resources by successfully controlling your expenses and maximizing efficiency. At number 7, we get the final method for the day: keep a long-term perspective. During a recession, it's critical to have a long-term perspective and avoid making rash judgments based on short-term market changes. The market will surely undergo ups and downs, but history has proven that it will eventually recover and thrive. By remaining focused on long-term financial goals, you may avoid making snap decisions that could harm your investments. Remember that patience and discipline are important traits to have when navigating a recession. You prepare yourself for possibilities and advantages when the economy recovers by staying on course. Well, these recession-proof techniques can assist you in navigating economic downturns and with working towards your financial goals. So, stay focused, stay resilient, and keep striving for financial success on your path to millions. Remember that the goal is to be proactive, adaptive, and open to taking advantage of opportunities as they occur. While recessions bring uncertainty, they also present unique opportunities for those willing to take action. This concludes everything about the topic. Please leave your opinions and questions in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more information. Thanks for watching.